open Klove Chef. Alexa, open Klove Chef.
Welcome to Klove Chef. I am here to help you bring your cravings to life. What would you like to prepare today? Pepper steak. Okay, easy pepper steak provided by Campbell's Soup. Shall we get started?
Let's gather all the ingredients first. Do you want me to read them one by one?
How would you like your steak to be cooked? I will start a timer for you. Chef's tip: do not move around the steak as the high heat will help to create a great layer of flavor. We can also recommend you try McCormick's new spice blend next time. Would you like me to place this into your cart?
You wanna be our food critic for a second? How would you rate from 1 to 5, with 5 being the best?